Hi students, I welcome you all. My name is Simran and I will teach you a lot of things about this subject. So we will be studying about our neighborhood, our family first of all, then what kind of neighborhood do we have, all the things around our neighborhood, how should we behave when we are out, and then sky above us and all the associated phenomena with that. So let us begin.
Caring for others. So let's start. Match the following. A person who cannot see is somebody who is blind. Option B. A person who cannot hear, deaf. C. A person who cannot speak, dumb. Option D. A person who cannot walk, lame. Option A. So in our daily lives, we live with and around many people, each with different needs, strengths and abilities. While everyone deserves respect and kindness, some individuals require extra care and attention because they may not be able to fully care for themselves. जो आसपास बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनकी ज़रूरतें, needs हमारी ज़रूरतें और capability से अलग होती हैं because of different reasons. Now what is more important is help तो बात की बात है, लेकिन इन लोगों की तरफ हमें हमेशा kind रहना चाहिए. That is the first and the foremost thing that we should do. So these people may include babies, elderly individuals, a sick person, people with physical challenges. So it is important to be understanding and helpful towards them. Showing care and support makes them feel safe, valued and loved. So इसमें आपके बच्चे हो सकते हैं, छोटे, बुजुर्ग हो सकते हैं, differently abled people हो सकते हैं, बीमार इंसान हो सकते हैं. So what is important for us to understand that they are not well, they are not capable of a lot of things at that point in time. तो हमें इनकी बातें समझनी चाहिए एंड इनके रिएक्शंस पे हम इनके एक्शंस पे ज़्यादा रिएक्ट हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. वी शुड बी टोटली अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड पॉजिटिव टुवर्ड्स देयर एटीट्यूड्स. So taking care of a baby. So have you seen a little baby at home, nearby or when visiting someone? Babies are tiny and delicate and they depend completely on others to meet their needs. So they require special food suited to their age and digestion, plenty of sleep to support healthy growth. तो छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, ऑब्वियसली उनके खाने की ज़रूरतें, रहने की सहने की ज़रूरतें, सोने की जितनी ज़रूरत है वो हमसे टोटली डिफरेंट होती है. तो किस किस चीज़ का ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है? द काइंड ऑफ फूड दे ईट, बिकॉज उनका डाइजेशन बहुत डिफरेंटली काम करता है. वो सेम खाना नहीं खा सकते जो हम खाते हैं. बहुत स्लीप उनको चाहिए होती है ताकि ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट प्रॉपर हो पाए. Then comfort and attention, especially when they cry. Since they can't speak, we need to find out what's bothering them, whether it's hunger, sleepiness, or discomfort. Caring for a baby means being gentle, patient, and alert. And when we care for babies with love, they grow up feeling safe and happy. तो बच्चे रोते हैं, बोल तो पाते नहीं हैं, कुछ भी चाहिए, वॉशरूम जाना है, सुसु कर दिया, भूख लग रही है, इरिटेशन हो रही है, सबके लिए एक ही काम होता है उनके पास, रोने का. तो उनके रोने के हिसाब से समझना हमें पड़ता है कि किस चीज़ के लिए रो रहे हैं. भूख लग रही है इसलिए रो रहे हैं, सुसु कर दिया इसलिए रो रहे हैं, इरिटेशन हो रही है इसलिए रो रहे हैं, सो नहीं पा रहे इसलिए रो रहे हैं. तो हमें वो देखना पड़ता है. तो इसीलिए बच्चों की देखभाल करने का मतलब है कि प्रॉपर तरीके से उनको समझना पड़ेगा, पेशेंट होना पड़ेगा, अलर्ट होना पड़ेगा, तभी आप बच्चों की केयर कर पाएंगे. Caring for elderly. So old people are physically weak, they are unable to do their work properly due to their age and they may not be able to see, hear or walk properly. They need a lot of love and care. There are a few ways in which we can take care of the elderly people, like accompanying them during their walks, take care of their likes and dislikes, spend quality time with them by talking to them and listening to their stories, take care of their personal needs like food and health, involve them in a family decisions or activities, take them for regular medical checkups and in public places also. Respect to the senior citizens you see and be courteous. Offer them seats in public transport as in buses and trains. तो बहुत बुजुर्ग लोग भी हमारे आसपास होते हैं, बहुत कमज़ोर हो जाते हैं, उम्र इतनी हो जाती है, बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो कर सकते थे वो नहीं कर पाते हैं. सो क्या क्या हमें करना, क्या क्या हम अपनी कैपेसिटी में कर सकते हैं. उनके साथ वॉक्स पे चले जाइए. घर के डिसीजंस में डोंट मेक देम फील अनवांटेड कि अब बुजुर्ग हो गए हैं, बाकी सारे बड़े हो गए हैं तो उनकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. मेक देम फील वांटेड. डिसीजंस वगैरह जो आप घर में लेते हैं, बेशक आपको उनको डिसीजन मानना है नहीं मानना है वो सेकेंडरी चीज़ है, बट एटलीस्ट उनको इन्वॉल्व करिए उन डिसीजंस में, एक्टिविटीज़ में करिए. बेशक वो कर पाए ना कर पाए, बट इन्वाइट देम फॉर दीज एक्टिविटीज़, ताकि उनको इन्वॉल्व फील हो कि हाँ हमारी भी इम्पोर्टेंस है. बाहर भी आप जा रहे हैं, कोई बुजुर्ग देख रहे हैं जो आपकी फैमिली का नहीं भी है, उनके तरफ रिस्पेक्टफुल रहिए, कर्टियस रहिए. सीट उनको पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट पे दीजिए, बिकॉज दीज आर एल्डरली पीपल. एक टाइम ऐसा भी आएगा जब आप भी बुजुर्ग होंगे, तो इट्स बेटर कि आप भी अपने टाइम पे जितनी मदद कर सकते हैं करिए. केयरिंग फॉर समवन हु इज सिक. So when someone is not feeling well, they need extra love, patience, support from those around them. Being sick can make a person feel weak or upset. So it's important to create a peaceful and caring environment to help them recover faster. So here are some thoughtful ways to care for someone who is unwell. Like keep the surroundings quiet so that they can rest without disturbance. Ensure their room is clean, airy and comfortable, which helps them feel both better, like both physically and mentally. Take them to a doctor when needed and make sure they take their medicines on time. So give them healthy meals and encourage plenty of rest. Be gentle, cheerful and kind so they stay in a positive mood. तो बीमार लोगों की कैसी आप केयर करोगे? सबसे पहले तो gentle आपको रहना है. Make sure that they get fresh food, they get their medicines on time. Their room should be airy and comfortable so that physically or mentally दोनों तरीके से ही वो जल्दी recover कर पाए. Special people or differently abled people. So certain people have slow or incomplete development of parts of their body, yet they have unique abilities. They are thus named specially abled people. A person with a physical disability is said to be differently abled, and such people may not be able to see, hear or speak. They need our care, support and encouragement. Like blind people can read using a special writing called Braille, wherein the alphabet and numbers are represented by a series of raised dots, and they also learn from radio books. So differently abled people जिनका development हमारे development से थोड़ा slow होता है या incomplete होता है. Like blind people, they can only read through a Braille script, जो Braille system जिसे हम बोलते हैं उसी को वो feel करते हैं, then they read letters and वहीं से वो books वगैरह पढ़ना भी सीखते हैं. People who can neither hear nor speak communicate through actions, and this is called the sign language. काफी लोगों को आपने देखा होगा हाथों के इशारों से बात करते हैं, थोड़े बहुत साइन लैंग्वेजेस के साथ. तो ये लोग वो होते हैं जो ना ही सुन पाते हैं और ना ही बोल पाते हैं, तो साइन लैंग्वेज से ही कम्युनिकेट करते हैं और समझते भी उसी लैंग्वेज से हैं. Now caring for special or differently able people. Treat them as equals with respect, help them when they ask, encourage them to attend school and have a hobby, and never tease or make fun of them. मजाक तो बिल्कुल नहीं उड़ाना है, encourage करना है स्कूल जाके पढ़ाई करने के लिए. जब हेल्प मांगे तब हेल्प कर देनी है और equals की तरह उनको रिस्पेक्ट करना है, inferior उनको नहीं समझना है. Now good to know, the Braille script was devised by Louis Braille, who was blind and wanted to read and write. So Braille script आपकी Louis Braille ने ही invent करी थी, who himself was blind, and because he wanted to read and write, तो उन्होंने ये script अपने लिए बनाई थी और बाकी सबके लिए भी यूज हो गई. Now let's take a test. Match the person to what they need the most. Like a baby, what does a baby need? They need special food and sleep also. So they need both these things. Likewise, you have to answer the rest of the points also. Now let's revise. Babies need special food, sleep and gentle care. The elderly people need love and care from family members. We should take care of the old people at home in our neighborhood. Sick people need rest, medicine and a quiet, clean space. Differently able people may not be able to see, hear or speak. People who cannot see read in the Braille script. People who cannot hear and speak use the sign language to communicate with others. So we have different kinds of people all around us, like babies, sick people, elderly people, differently able people. All of their needs are different as compared to ours, and that is why it is very important for us to take care of their needs properly. Now practice time. Take the correct answer. Who among the following needs special care and attention? So, a baby, option B. Old people are physically weak, option C. Braille is used by the people who cannot see, option A. A dumb man cannot speak, option B. Specially abled people should be treated with respect, option B. Right, true or false? Love and proper care makes a sick person recover fast. True. The physically handicapped need our pity. No. Old people often need help to perform their daily activities. True. Deaf and dumb people communicate through sign language. True. The Braille script was developed by Louis Braille. True. Sick people should not be given medicine. That is not true. False. Now answer the following questions. Why are old people unable to do their work? Because they are physically weak, and that is why they need our help for them to do their daily activities. And likewise, you will answer the rest of the questions also. So these are all your questions based on this chapter. You have to answer it on your own. Now let's move ahead. Skills builder. So you have to collect some information about Helen Keller and make a report on her life history. Helen Keller के बारे में information निकालनी है, then उनकी life history पे आपको एक छोटी सी report बनानी है. Then you have to take a chart paper and write on it a pledge of helping elderly people. You may write the following in this, like, I pledge to spend time with the elders of my family, listen to them, learn from their experience. So आपको अपने एक छोटा सा चार्ट बनाना है, I pledge to करके, जैसे ये 3 points है, ऐसे ही और अच्छे points आपको उसमें लिखने हैं. Then make greeting cards for the differently abled and specially abled children. Visit the special school with your teacher. Decorate the school or the classroom with them and celebrate the festival together as friends. And differently able लोगों के लिए, especially able person के लिए card बनाइए, invite them for different festivals and enjoy together. Then visit an old age home with your teacher to understand the problems of old people. Teacher या अपने parents के साथ भी आप जा सकते हैं. Old age home जाइए और वहाँ पे जो आपके बुजुर्ग लोग रहते हैं उनकी ज़रूरतें समझने की कोशिश करिए. Life skill. In cities, many children are left in the care of housekeepers or in daycare centers as their parents go to work. Some lucky children have their grandparents to take care of them at home. Spread awareness about the advantages of having elderly people living with us at home. तो कुछ बच्चे जब शहर वगैरह चले जाते हैं गांव से या किसी अपनी कंट्री से ही बाहर चले जाते हैं, अपने पेरेंट्स को कभी कभी साथ नहीं ले जा पाते बिकॉज ऑफ डिफरेंट रीजंस, तो वो उनको एल्डरली या ओल्ड एज होम में छोड़ देते हैं. बट स्टिल अगर पेरेंट्स हमारे एल्डरली लोग हमारे साथ रहते हैं रादर, तो इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर अस. सो जस्ट स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस कि क्यों एल्डरली लोगों का होना घर में बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है.
So students, I hope you've understood each and everything that I have taught you with the exercises. Just follow whatever I have told you and do the exercises properly.